welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Today is the third tutting combo for this tutting series, and it's going to be the last one because it's really freaking difficult, but you can do this. Okay, here we go. From the very top, you're going to go really slowly. One hand's going to go like this, hello, and then the other hand's going to be a blade. Okay, very different. Make sure you get that up, boom, and it's going to go 1, 2. Okay, and I'm gonna have it kind of around my face area, but not too high, not too low, just right around where it's comfortable. Okay, so 1, 2, and then this one's gonna go down while this one goes all the way up like this. Okay, all the way up, and then at the same time. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, really reach up, and this is actually a stretch that you could do to make sure you've got the right angle. Okay, stretch these triceps out. All right, from the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here you're gonna rotate. Okay, so this is gonna rotate this way right above your head while this one goes inward like that. Okay, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This part right here, all I'm doing is going in, and this one's going out, and then this one's going down, and this one's going up. So it's like opposites, opposites. Okay, make sure they connect right there. So whoop, whoop. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna look and you're gonna go magic. Okay, this is gonna go here. Just unfold it, and you could do like wavy fingers. You just go woo. I'm rolling them out. Okay, I'm not going spirit fingers because it's messy. You want to just roll it out. Okay, roll it out. So from here, this is actually going to be like this, but you're going to cheat it and go, both of them are going to go outward. Okay, so on 8 and 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 right here. Make sure it's straight, make sure this is straight. You're going to put your chin onto here. You're going to go boom. Okay, carry the hand over to here. Alright, all you're doing is just flipping it over, making sure this is still pointed the other way. Okay, and then you're gonna go wrap it around your face. Okay, notice I moved it a little more so it could line up with the other one. Okay, here, bring it around, bring it up, and then whoosh, bring it behind this arm. So this was originally here. All you're doing is going woo like that. Okay, but the other hand, you gotta make sure the other hand goes on your face and around, boom. And then once you get to here, you're gonna do a dip up and explode. So dip up, out, hit. Okay, so the hand that's inside, dip up, and then unfold it towards you, away from you, and then to the left, flip it, and then that's gonna hit this one to slide down. Okay, hit it to slide down, and then that's gonna carry it up. You see how I pushed it up to the side like that? Okay, whoop, just like that, boom. And you don't have to go like super high, just enough to where it folds together. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6. Go 7. That's the next part. Okay, so you went whoa, and this goes inside, by the way, inside the thread, up, down on 8. So from here again, you went here, up, here. And you can make this as smooth as you want from, what was it? From this, like it doesn't have to stop and then go. You can go something like whoosh, hit, here, here. So you could change the texture up if you feel like it. I usually just go woo, boom, boom, like that. And then from here, this goes down on 8, and you're gonna have it right on top of this. And then from here, you're gonna go grab. So you could either put your teeth on your hand here, bring it to the front, fold it down, bring that one up with your teeth. So it's like here, 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 up. Okay, really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring this up, and then this up. Okay, and all it is this is gonna point towards the away from you, and this is just gonna cover it. Okay, so here, and then unfold. So here, unfold, open, and then whoosh, wave it in, and that is the end. All right, this one's a little bit weird, but trust me, once you get used to all the around the head stuff, it becomes really fun because you could use it for a lot of different things. But here it is one more time from the very top all together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll it in, freestyle. Okay, there is the final and third tutting combo for this tutting series. I hope you enjoyed that, and if it's difficult, let me know and I will try my best to help you figure it out. And yeah, just leave me a message, comment, or you could DM me on Instagram. Okay, have fun, practice a lot, stretch a lot, and be safe. Okay, peace.